Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market today. If you're in need of a reliable backup sump pump, look no further because today we're talking about the Liberty Pump's SJ10 SumpJet water-powered backup pump, one of the top-rated options in the sump pump category. The SJ10 is a game-changer when it comes to protecting your basement from flooding, especially during a power outage. Powered by your municipal water supply, it requires no electricity to operate, which makes it a foolproof solution for keeping your basement dry when you need it the most. This fully automatic pump operates seamlessly, meaning you don't have to worry about a thing once it's installed. It's designed to kick in automatically, removing water from your sump pit, and you don't even have to lift a finger. One of the standout features of the SJ10 is its compact, high-efficiency design. For every gallon of water used, the pump removes 2 gallons from your sump pit, making it incredibly effective in handling excess water. Whether you're dealing with a small flood or need a reliable backup for a larger system, this pump has you covered with its robust performance and ease of use. With a maximum flow rate of 19.8 gallons per minute and a lifting height of 21.6 inches, it's capable of handling a variety of water removal needs. Installation is a breeze because the SJ10 comes fully assembled right out of the box. All you need is an uninterrupted water source to operate it, and the pump is ready to go. It connects easily to a 3/4-inch NPT water supply, and it's built with durable PVC to ensure long-lasting use. Plus, you'll find a built-in screen with a removable foot valve and a built-in check valve at the water inlet to prevent backflow, which adds another layer of protection for your system. But don't think just because it's simple to install that it's not tough enough. This pump is engineered to handle tough jobs, and with its ability to work off the municipal water supply, it's more reliable than ever. The Liberty Pump's SJ10 operates within a wide inlet supply pressure range of 20 psi to 100 psi, ensuring it's adaptable for different home setups. It also offers peace of mind with its 2-year warranty, so you can rest assured that your investment is protected. In terms of dimensions, the SJ10 stands at 21.6 inches tall, 5.1 inches wide, and 14.5 inches deep, making it a compact powerhouse that fits easily into your existing sump pit setup without taking up too much space. It weighs just 5 pounds, so handling it and installing it is hassle-free. The Liberty Pump's SJ10 is the perfect solution for homeowners looking for an efficient, water-powered backup pump that doesn't require electricity. It's fully automatic, easy to install, and provides reliable water removal during emergencies. If you're in the market for a sump pump that's both effective and simple to maintain, the SJ10 should definitely be at the top of your list. That's it for today's review of the Liberty Pump's SJ10 SumpJet water-powered backup pump. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews to help you make the best purchasing decisions. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one.